Here we're looking at the Stream motorcycle helmet by LS2. I've owned this helmet for over 5 years and still in great shape after many hours of riding. I've been riding motorcycles for over 20 years and own multiple motorcycle helmets. Here are some of the reasons why it's one of my favorite helmets. Just because of the airflow from the vents in the top, cool off your head, so it goes through the top and out the back. And then to cool off your face, there's a vent here in the front, and you can crack it open a little bit for airflow if you want some more airflow in the front. And then this actually has multiple levels, so you can lift it up halfway, close it all the way. Okay, that's some of the features on the face shield. Also, there's screws on both sides of the face shield for tear-offs. So if you want to do a different tint on the front of your face shield, you have that option too for tear-offs. There's a sun visor, lifts up, and it's removable. So this actually can come out and you can clean it or you can wipe it off. And then it has a protection here to prevent fogging. So your face shield doesn't fog up on the interior. It has the easy latch. Just wipe down every so often and then clean the inside. You can take out the interior and you can hand wash it or put it in the washer. The neck thing right here, it comes out, it just slides right out, and it slides right back in with the pins. There's pins on the front that slide underneath the chin. They slide right in. And all this interior snaps right out. You can snap it back in with the snaps. This is removable. Another reason why I like the face shield is not only that it has screws for the tear-offs, but it also has an easy disconnect. So you just pull it forward, lift up, and it just pulls right off. And then you can snap on another shade of a face shield, different color. So I have one right here. So I just put this on there. Just position it. That simple. So it actually stays pretty warm in the winter, and in the summer it gets pretty hot. So you open up the vents and it helps cool your face and your head. So it does work. It does actually fog up if you have your helmet positioned a certain way, up and down. You just adjust the helmet and that'll fix the problem. And also if you want to breathe out of your nose, that helps too. Most helmets, if you drop the helmet, it will actually damage the interior of the shell and cause a crack, because they're only made to withstand impact one time. So if you ever drop it, I would suggest replacing it. So that way when you do possibly get in an accident, which I hope you don't, it will actually protect your head 100%. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.